Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we are checking out this air fryer steamer oven combo cooker, and Secura did send this to us for free for us to check out today. And today we are cooking up some delicious chicken tenderloins right there. How I prepared those was I put a little bit of olive oil on them, both sides, and then I put some lemon pepper rub on them. They look really nice. They've already been in there for about 5 minutes or so, so they are almost done. Here at the bottom, there is a little steamer tray, and you saw all that steam that came out of there. It keeps it nice and moist inside of there. And then this little thing down here is where you add water. So while it's cooking, it puts just a little bit in there and keeps it nice and steamed up. So you don't have to do that yourself and deal with getting the right amount of water in there and keeping your eye on it, or wait for that water to boil if you put too much in there, because this pretty much boils instantly as it sprays that water in there every 1 to 2 minutes. It has a whole bunch of options up here at top, so you can do different things with it. Of course, it has your power button, it has your start and pause, it has your up and down buttons for your time and your temperature, it has a light right here, really nice and bright light. Has the time and temperature options. It has your menu and a mode button in here, and then it has a whole bunch of different modes. It has a steamer mode, it has a rapid steamer mode, it has the mode that we're on right now, which is steam and bake. After that, it has a clean mode, and then on this next line here is, if I can remember correctly, a regular air fry, a bake, a dehydrator, and a fermenter. So we'll go back to what we were on, which is steam and bake, and we'll get it started back up. Has that air fryer tray that you see that we're cooking on right now, and then I'm sort of using the bake tray to catch the drippings. You don't have to use that, and it still is really easy to clean out afterwards. I've used it without that, and all I had to do was take a paper towel, wipe everything down, and I was good to go. It also comes with one other rack right here, and that's just your regular oven rack that you can use to cook on. So this stuff should be almost done, and we can take it out and check it out. Again, we're cooking up some chicken tenderloins in there. Had them in there probably close to 10 minutes total now. I think they are done. So yeah, look at that. We're gonna go ahead and pull those out here and cut into them and see how well they look. It does come with a little oven mitt right here. So we'll pull these out just like that. See if they'll just dump off there. There we go. Look at me, I'm a pro cook. We'll shut this up so it quits dinging at us. And then you can just hit that power button right there, turn it off, let it cool down. And look at that, look at all that steam still coming off of there. It looks really fantastic. And then we just cut into it, and look at that perfection. Super moist. Cooks really fast. Overall, this thing is fantastic. I absolutely loved it. I've used it a few times now. Just earlier this evening, I cooked some up with some Cajun seasoning, a little bit too spicy for me, so that's why we went with the lemon pepper seasoning. So go ahead and try this one really quick. Amazing, super moist. It's great. So yeah, if you're interested in this, go ahead, check it out. Again, it's from Secura. I have a link down there in the description if you want to click it, check it out, check out the price for today. But yeah, I love this thing.